This is Rob Hester with Flat Out Auto. This is our new 22 GMC Jimmy. What we started with for the Jimmy, we actually started with a single cab Sierra pickup long bed. Everyone knows with the Blazer that come out, it's not what everybody really wanted. If you had an old Blazer or a Jimmy from back in the day, it was actually a real truck and not an SUV or crossover. So we wanted to do our best to recreate what we feel like should have been the GMC Jimmy or the Blazer in the Chevrolet format. We wanted to create what the old K5 Blazer, the feel we used to get with it. So we shortened the chassis, we added a short 5/8 bed, we built a custom shell, so you get that open air experience of the old K5 Blazer. We're gonna be building 25 of these next year. They get to choose the color, outside, exterior, interior, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. A lot of things we've done to this truck to make it a little more capable, just like the old K5s. One is the fact that we chose Fox BDS suspension and lift. The BDS suspension and Fox actually transformed this truck. This truck was a single cab work truck with four-wheel drive. Absolutely transformed this truck. The off-road, the capabilities, the ride is insane. So if you want your truck to drive like that and be a capable off-roader, give Fox and BDS a call.